Hello there, I'm Nachiket from Designers Consortium, and today we'll be taking a look at WALL-E, which stands for Wheelchair Assistive Light Labor Exercise. So, given the current COVID pandemic, wheelchair users are unable to go to gyms and hence they cannot maintain body fitness. Even in general times, disabled people have little access to gym equipment, and when it is available, it is not suited for home use. Hence, their quality of life is severely impacted. Thus, with over 54 lakh mobility disabled people in India, we found it imperative that an exercise equipment be designed which allows paraplegics, quadriplegics, and other wheelchair users to have a proper workout regimen from the comfort of their homes.
Here you can see 3D model of our product. It is a station-based exercise equipment which focuses on upper body exercise. It has two arms which are controlled by motors. The user holds on to these arms and chooses the mode and type of exercise. The whole body can translate along a lead screw. The assembly can rotate about two pivot points perpendicular to each other, controlled by motors. Thus, it has a total 3 degrees of freedom. Our product uses 3 motors with encoders on each side for motion in 3D space. The motors play an essential role in exercise procedure. They are all regulated using an Arduino Mega unit along with some additional electronic circuitry to control current and voltage. In passive exercises, motor will aid the arm motion to build up muscle memory and the system will act as a guide for exercise. Whereas in active exercises, the motor will oppose the arm motion to replicate weight and stress in springs. We will be using a locking mechanism consisting of a solenoid and a gear to lock some degrees of freedom whenever required. Also, we will have a keypad and LCD display for taking inputs from user and to give feedback to user.
Now, coming to the novelty of our product and its unique selling points. Our product can perform both active and passive exercises. Anyone from 10 years to 70 years of age can use the product, giving the user no limitation on age. Our product can be coded to have various different types of exercise performed according to the user's needs and choices. Also, it is adaptable to any kind of wheelchair and body size as it is a station-based product. Finally, the product can be used independently by the user without any need of any external supervision. To know more about our product WALL-E, visit dcnitt.org. Thank you.